Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm gonna teach you how to cut a pixie haircut. First of all, divide your hair into sections using clips or hair ties. Create sections at the back, top and sides of your head. Use your scissors to cut the sides of your hair first. Start at the back and work your way forward using small, even cuts. Make sure to cut the hair to the desired length. Cuts tend to look best on oval, square and heart shaped faces. Women with heart shaped faces can pull off shorter pixie cuts as it brings attention to the eyes and away from the long jawline. Once you have finished cutting the sides, move on to the back. Use the same technique as with the sides, cutting the hair to the desired length. Then move on to the top of your head. Use your fingers to lift sections of hair and cut them to the desired length. Once you have finished cutting the hair, take a look at the overall shape. Use your scissors to refine the cut, removing any uneven or longer sections. Finally, style your pixie cut. Use a styling product to create texture and hold. If you want to know about more haircut, then subscribe my channel and stay healthy.